आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is a triangle is basically formed, right, by the lines of x plus y equals to 0, x minus y equals to 0, and lx plus my equals to 1, where these l and m are vary subject to the condition l square plus m square equals to 1. Okay, then we have to find the locus of its circumcenter, right? So if I made a figure using this line, so I can say that the triangle will something look like this. First of all, this is a line here, and this is again a line we have, and this is the last which will complete the right angle triangle. When we solve these equations and plot the points after getting from these three equations, we'll get that this is the line for x minus y equals to 0. This is the line for x plus y equals to 0, right? And this one is for lx plus my equals to 1. And if we have to find the coordinates of this is 0 comma 0, right? And this is a right angle triangle, and this is what this will be 1 by m plus l comma 1 by m plus l, right? This coordinate, and this coordinate will be 1 by l minus m comma 1 by l minus m. These are the coordinates of the triangle basically we're looking for. We can just simplify. Now we can just solve these equations and we get the coordinates of this triangle when we plot them on the graph. So after this, what we'll do, okay, so what I'll do first, okay, so we know that to find the circumcenter of a right angle triangle, what it will be? It is basically the midpoint of the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, right? So it means this, if A and B is my hypotenuse here, this is O. So basically the midpoint of this will be the circumcenter of this triangle, right? So to find the circumcenter here, I can write it as circumcenter, right? This will become what? This will be 1 upon m plus l plus 1 upon l minus m by 2, right? And this will become what? 1 upon l plus m again plus 1 upon m minus l by 2, right? Here we have. So if I solve this further, I'll get the solution as this will become l minus m plus l plus m, and this part will become what? Twice of l plus m. This is l minus m, right? And this side will become what? M minus l plus l plus m. Taking LCM and then solving the both sides, above and the lower one. So we will get 2 m minus l, and this will m plus l, right? So after this, I'll get my value as, okay, this comprises into an identity of what? Exactly. This will become the first, this will cancel out, and this one will cancel out, not this one, sorry. L terms will cancel out basically. So I write again m1 here, this one cancel out. So we are left with what? We are left with C with L divided by L square minus M square. And here we have M divided by M square minus of L square, right? The circumcenter will come like this. So from this we can see that our point H, the points for circumcenter will become, H is what? L square minus M square, and K is what? M divided by M square minus of L square, right? Now what I'll do, okay, if I do this one, H square plus K square, right? So what I'll get L square by L square minus M square whole square, and this one will become M square by, okay, this one will become M square minus L square, right? So as they both are denominator squares, this is square, so we can write them in any one of the format. So it means that I can write in them as L square plus M square, because the LCM remains same because it is a square function in the denominator. This can be written as L square minus M square whole square, right? So H square, if I H square will become what? It will come out as, okay, so what else is given to the question? That H square L square plus M square is what equals to what? 1. So basically it is saying that L square plus M square is equals to what? 1. So it means it will become L square minus of M square, not plus of, so I'll remove it. This will become L square minus of M square whole square, right? These are the values of H square plus K square we are having, this one. So right now, if I find the value of H square minus K square, Again, if I repeat these steps, I'll get the value of h square minus k square as L square minus m square divided by L square minus m square whole square, right? After solving this, we will get this equation which says that our h square minus k square will become what? Exactly, they'll become 1 of L square minus m square. It means that we can write this equation h square plus k square here. How? I'll show it. So we know that h square minus k square is equals to what? If I take square both sides of this equation, this will become 1 upon L square minus m square whole square, and 1 upon L square minus m square is equals to h square plus k square, right? It means that they'll be equals to h square minus k square equals to h square plus k square. This is whole square here, which shows that if I replace h and k with x and y, this will become what? X square minus y square whole square is equals to x square plus y square. This is the value of locus we are looking for basically. So the answer will come as x square minus y square whole square equals to x square plus y square. If I go to the question, I can check the answer. This will become what? X square y square whole square is equals to x square plus y square, which is option A. So the correct answer is option A.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।